Hi guys, how are you? I hope that you are doing very well and I really miss you guys. I know that it's a little bit different period now because there is no school, but I hope that we are going to meet again very soon. I know. Now, today in this video, I'd like to read you a story. This story is about a little dinosaur. Can you see it here? Yes, its name is Rory. The title of our story is Rory Wants a Pet. And guys, do you remember what pet means? Pet is an animal. Yes, I know. But what kind of animal is a pet? Lion is a pet. No. Elephant is a pet. No. Cat is a pet. Yes, cat is a pet. Dog is a pet. Turtle is a pet. And rabbit is a pet, for example. Okay? And our little dinosaur wants a pet. Shall we get started? Yes. Today is Monday and Rory is sad. Rory is not happy. Why? Let's see. Because my brothers and sisters are in dinosaur camp and I am here alone. I'm sad. Mommy, I want a pet. No, Rory. Today is Tuesday. If you guys remember, Tuesday means martedì. Yes. Monday is lunedì. Tuesday is martedì. And Rory, our little dinosaur, plays in the yard. As you can see here, guys, yard means garden. Maybe some of you have got a garden. Yes. Cats are nice pets. I want a cat. No, Rory. Hey, guys, look. Is this a cat? No. Today is Wednesday. What day is Wednesday, guys? Lunedì? No. Martedì? No. Mercoledì? Yes. Wednesday is mercoledì. Rory and Mommy are in the park. And Rory says, I want an elephant. Elephants are nice pets. No, Rory, no. Hey guys, look at this animal. Is this an elephant? No, it's not an elephant. Today is Thursday. And what day is it Thursday, everyone? Lunedì, martedì, mercoledì, giovedì. Yes, Thursday is giovedì. And Rory and Mommy visit grandmother. Look, here is an old lady, and this lady is Rory's grandmother. Yes, Nonna. Rory and the bird play. Birds are nice, Mommy. No, Rory, no. Look at this bird. Is it a nice pet for a little kid? No. Today is Friday. So, you tell me, guys, what day is it Friday? Monday, lunedì. Tuesday, martedì. Wednesday, mercoledì. Thursday, giovedì. Friday, yes, venerdì. Rory plays in the kitchen. What's this? It's big. Is it a ball? Guys, look. Is it a ball? Rory likes the big ball. It moves. Crack, crack, crack. Wow, it's an egg. It's a big egg. Mommy, it's a pet. No, Rory, it's a baby. Yes, you have a brother. So, you tell me, guys, what does brother mean? Is it sorella or fratello? You tell me when I see you next time, okay? So, thank you very much, everyone. I'll see you very soon again. Stay tuned. I'm going to send you new videos. Bye bye.